Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Phantom Wallet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install the Phantom Wallet application on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator first. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official BlueStacks website. Now click on the download button to download the installer and then open it up and click through the next buttons, which will install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. After opening up the BlueStacks emulator, you will gain access to your Android home screen. Now just open up the Google Play Store and then log into your Google account. After this, you can just search from the search box by typing in Phantom Wallet. Once you find the Phantom Wallet application, just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And this will also create a shortcut on your desktop once the installation is done, which you can use to directly launch the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Phantom Wallet application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.